Today, President Trump revealed the outlines of a trade deal with Britain, his first since imposing those wide-ranging tariffs last month. The agreement is expected to allow American farmers to sell more products in the UK. It also reduces tariffs on some British-made cars. Nothing's been finalized, however. And CBS's Weijia Jiang reports from the White House.
President Trump touted the British trade agreement in the Oval Office.
It opens up a tremendous market for us, and it works out very well.
But sealing another, more consequential deal was also on Trump's mind as his top economic advisors prepare to meet with Chinese officials this weekend in Switzerland.
Do you expect that it will just be a formality to break the ice, or are they going to get into substantive negotiations?
I believe so, yes. Very substantive. Now, China wants to do something. And look, they have to at this point. You know, essentially, they made $1 trillion a year, and now they have absolutely no business because of the tariffs. They have no business.
Because business has slowed down, as you mentioned. We're seeing
China.
But we're seeing as a result, the ports here in the U.S., the traffic has really slowed, and now thousands of dock workers and truck drivers are worried about their jobs.
Yeah, no, that means we lose less money. You know, when I see that, that means we lose less money. So when you say it slowed down, that's a good thing, not a bad thing. But we're going to make it so they can. I'd like to say they could do better, actually, in terms of the bottom line.
In Virginia, Jason Levitt says it's very bad for his small company, which makes lithium batteries for motorcycles and race cars. Levitt says he can only get the main component, lithium cells, from China, and now they're subject to a 145% tariff.
But what happens if you can't afford to import that product?
I mean, we go out of business, like, period. That's it. There is no alternative. There is no plan B. There is nowhere else in the world where I can get this product specifically. So it's a headshot.
Levitt says it would cost $100 million and at least 3 years to stand up a factory to make lithium cells in the U.S., so he is anxious for a trade deal with China. Trump says if talks go well this weekend, the tariffs rate could come down.